44. 4 points on a circle are given as -1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 0. If all the lines of symmetry are drawn on the circle, at which point do all the lines of symmetry meet? Let's consider those points first of all. We start with -1, 2, which would be at this point. Then we have 1, 4, that would be here. Next is 3, 2, and that would be here. And finally 1, 0, which would be here. Now think about a circle which would have each of these 4 points touching the edge of it. It would look like this. A circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Although we could draw the usual horizontal, vertical and diagonal lines, we can draw a line of symmetry anywhere on the circle as long as it passes through the centre point. Those lines of symmetry would all have to pass through the centre point, and as you can see, that central point would be here. The coordinates for that central point are 1, 2, so these would be the coordinates for the centre point, and that means C is the right answer. If all the lines of symmetry are drawn on the circle, the point where they would all meet would be at the centre, which is 1, 2.